Okay, let's continue on with our frost text. As we see here, we got it selected. I changed it to white. What I had to do is I had to come and rasterize the layer and then go ahead and hit Command Delete to add my white color to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and Control deselect this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my quick mask edit mode by hitting Q, like so. And I'm going to hit my brush tool, like so. And let's actually change this from this style here. Let's use a round style. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and paint a lot of this here. So we're going to actually just kind of paint it where we would like to see frost. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my brush up a little bit bigger. Let's just go ahead and paint this. I'm going to paint this here. And I'm going to include a lot of this. And it doesn't matter, this doesn't have to be quite as straight. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to soften up my brush a little bit. And I'm going to hold down Shift and my beginning square parentheses bar that is right there next to your P on your keyboard. I'm just going to brush this in like this, giving it a nice fade effect like so. There we go. It's going to add a bit of frost there. And I'm trying to straighten this up a little bit. Like I said, it doesn't have to be too straight. This is artistic license here. There we go. And now I'm going to hit Q to get out of it. Now I'm going to inverse this because what's selected here now is this bottom part, and that's not what I want selected. I want the top select. So I'm going to hit Shift Command I to inverse the selection, and what we'll do is we'll pause here and pick this up in the next part.